While countless fitness trends flood your feed daily, one practice quietly transforms how elite athletes train. Pilates might be the cardio game changer you've been scrolling past. In a world drowning in conflicting workout advice, athletes struggle to cut through the notifications and find what actually works. A groundbreaking 2022 study examined athletes who integrated Pilates into their endurance training regimens. Researchers discovered that consistent Pilates practice significantly improved core strength by up to 30% within 8 weeks. The controlled breathing techniques enhanced oxygen efficiency during high-intensity activities. Most surprisingly, participants showed measurable increases in cardiovascular endurance, despite Pilates being perceived as low impact. Real athletes balancing marathon training with twice-weekly Pilates sessions reported faster recovery times and better performance stability. The secret lies in how Pilates strengthens the deep stabilizing muscles that support sustained athletic output, while teaching breathing patterns that maximize oxygen delivery. Your cardio routine might be missing this crucial foundation. Could adding one Pilates session weekly unlock your next performance breakthrough?